In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from Monday.com. Whether you're managing a team or just keeping things organized, knowing how to remove a user can be an important administrative task. So let's dive in and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll need to log into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. There, you'll find your profile picture. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Admin. Remember, this step is only for those with admin privileges. If you're not an admin, you'll need to reach out to someone who is, because only they have the authority to remove users. With the admin panel open, look towards the top where you'll see the Users tab. Go ahead and click on it. This will present you with a comprehensive list of everyone associated with your account, members, guests, and even pending invitations. To make your search easier, you can use the search bar to quickly locate the individual you're looking to remove. Once you have found their name, hover your mouse over it. This will reveal a three-dot menu beside their name. Click on this menu and you'll be presented with the option to either deactivate or remove from account. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Now, you'll notice a confirmation message popping up. It's crucial that you confirm your choice by clicking Remove User. Doing so will immediately revoke their access to all boards, workspaces, and items within your Monday.com account. Following their removal, the individual will no longer appear in the People column. Their name will be replaced with Former Member on any items they were previously associated with until those items are reassigned. Speaking of reassignment, it's highly recommended to reassign their items once they're removed. This ensures that projects continue smoothly without losing any ownership data. Navigate to any board where the user had tasks assigned. Use the People column filter to identify these tasks and then reassign them to another team member. If your situation involves a guest user, the process is slightly different but still straightforward. Head back to Admin, then Users, and direct your focus to the Guests tab. Once there, find the guest's email and click the three-dot menu next to it. Then select Remove Guest. This step is particularly important for removing external collaborators to ensure they no longer have access to your shared boards. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process of removing someone